Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, we have another disconnect between the equity markets and economic data. Today in the US is a public holiday, Memorial Day. That means Wall Street is closed. And London has taken the day off as well for a bank holiday, so its financial markets are closed as well. So financial market trading volumes have been very light in the past 24 hours and will be light again today. But the rest of the world is open and in business. And yesterday, Shanghai's equity market sprang to life, rising an impressive 1.4% on the day. Tokyo was also positive, up 0.3%. And they were followed by European markets overnight that recorded 0.5% gains. It's not really clear about what is driving these gains at this time. Maybe it's the expectation of new stimulus. And that is because in China, industrial profits are still falling, a trend that started in January. They were down 3.4% in April from the same month a year ago and haven't been positive all year. This is in stark contrast to the 15% rise recorded in April 2018. And in Hong Kong, their economy is being battered by the trade war. Exports fell for the sixth month in a row, down 2.6% year on year in April, while imports fared even worse, down 5.5%. And Turkey remains under pressure. Yesterday, its central bank increased reserve requirements for foreign exchange deposits by 200 basis points. This will withdraw more than $6 billion of liquidity from their currency market and help them eliminate many smaller official dealers by making it more costly for them to keep forex deposits. In Germany, their regulators are requiring banks to add a counter-cyclical capital buffer of 0.25%, and they will have to start doing this from July. Authorities are concerned about stability risks from a pumped-up domestic property market and a slowing economy. In Australia, all the betting is on an official RBA rate cut next Tuesday. The Aussie property industry expects this to be a turning point for their property prices. And the US Treasury 10-year yield is stable at 2.32%, and those big financial centres take their break. Gold is unchanged at $1,285 an ounce. And US oil prices are firmer today, now just on $59 a barrel, while the Brent benchmark is just on $70 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar will start today little changed in very light trading at 65.4 US cents. On the cross rates, we're also unchanged at 94.6 Aussie cents, and against the euro at 58.5 euro cents. That leaves the TWI at 70.4. And finally, Bitcoin is back firing on all cylinders, and this morning is at $8,722 US dollars, which is a gain of more than 8% overnight. Since the start of May, this crypto is up 70%. And it's now over 13,000 New Zealand dollars. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.